Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a quick review of Kickresume. Now Kickresume AI is a resume builder that leverages artificial intelligence to help users create resumes and other job application documents. So I'm going to give you, as you can see, we have resume building, resume checker, resume examples, cover letter builder, and so much more under the features. Now let's move on. You see, the pros are AI assistance. You see, the AI writer is powered by GPT-4, so it easily generates content for various sections of your resume and cover letter based on your job title, helping you to overcome writer's block and speed up the process. The second advantage is template variety. That's great. Then you also have additional tools like AI cover letter generator, resume checker, and even a personal website builder. So you can see it here. Cover letter, resume checker, personal website builder. Now it also has a mobile app for that also allows you for editing access on the go. And when it comes to the cons, it has limited free plan. Personalization can be lacking. It has AI limitations because AI may not always tailor content particularly to specific perfectly to specific job description without substantial user input and editing. And lastly, template customization paywall. Many advanced customization options for the template are only available with a paid plan. So that is the quick review of Kickresume AI.